Hello everyone, welcome back to Stepping Up. Today we are unraveling the mystery of packages and libraries in Java, a crucial aspect of structuring and enhancing your code. Stick around for the next 10 minutes as we demystify these concepts. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you are ready to level up your programming, Java Programming, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any query regarding this topic, please write down in the comment below. So let's start with first what are the topics we are covering. So these are introduction to packages, creating and using packages, Java standard library, third-party libraries, and best practice for the library uses. So these we are covering. First, what is package? In Java, packages are a way to organize classes and interfaces into meaningful and structured groups. They help in managing code, avoiding naming conflict, and promoting modularity. These plays very crucial role in Java. It is a group of similar type of packages, is a group of similar type of classes, interfaces, and sub packages. And it is used in Java, can be categorized in two forms: built-in package and user-defined package. Built-in package, they are inbuilt in Java only, like Java, .lang, AWT, JavaX, Swing, Net, that IO, Util, SQL that we just covered. And some are user-defined, so some we define by ourselves and we use it like other packages. So that is user-defined package. How to create that, how to use that, we will see. So advantage of these Java package is like that. It is avoid the naming conflicts, enhance the code organization, and facilitate the code reuse. So these are the important types. It is used to categorize the classes and interface so that they can easily manage or maintain. And it provides access protections, remove naming collisions. So these are all benefits of using these packages. So that's all about this. Now next is the creating and using package. So these are the three steps that we follow for creating the package. First, we declare the package at the beginning of Java file. Place the Java file in the corresponding directory and import the package in other classes as needed. So if we follow these three steps for creating and using the package. So first we declare that, and we create that, and we are using it like this. So place the Java file in the corresponding directory and import the package in other classes as needed. So see, in my package, that is the package name is my package, class is inside that. So like that we create the package. We have created inside that, we have written the class and code or methods, whatever we require. And import this my package dot my class. This is the package name, this is class name. So this is import in this class, another class, like this. So we can use it, we can import that. So import package name dot class name, we can write it is fully qualified name. So we can write the package name or the package name dot class name if we have to specify the class where we are which we are importing into that. Java standard library. So a standard library provide the rich set of pre-built classes and interfaces like java.util, java.uo, .net, SQL, these all. So these are the inbuilt packages. So as per our requirement, if you are IO class, so we can use java.io, util, net, and networking for that .net. Like that, as per our requirement, we import these packages. These are built-in package. Example is like we are using here the array list, public class library, and here this public static void main is string args, and this is list string names. New array list is there, so name is added. So as we insert here array list, so we have to import the package of array list to access all the classes of that, because we are using directly the method here. So the method comes from this package only, so we have to import that, and util.list for the list package. So like that, it is inbuilt package, we are importing like that. Third-party libraries. Third-party library are external sets of classes and packages created by the developers or organizations like Apache Commons, Google Guava, etc. So these are third parties or external set of classes and packages. So I think up to this you know what are the role of packages. So in package, inside that we define the class and method, and that we can import directly from there. We don't have to override that these methods or classes again. So third party libraries also we can use. So code is like that. We are importing this apache.commons, this package, and we are using third party here directly. The use of these strings, this is the Apache common library that is used for string. We directly use its method here. Next is best practice for the library uses. So tips, understand the library documentations, use libraries that fits your project requirement, keep the libraries updated for security and features. So as per our requirement, understand what type of libraries we require, what are the library documentations, and it is fitting our requirements. We can use its methods, classes or not. So like that, we decide it properly and import it. So keep library updated for the security and feature purpose. These are some of the best practice. Managing dependency with the build tools. So the build tools like Mavins, Gradles help to manage the project dependency. These centralized dependency management. So we can manage that with the help of this Maven or Gradles. Example of Maven dependency, this is the dependency we insert is for the Apache command line in group ID, artifact ID, version, and this dependency. We always impart dependency as per our requirement for the safety purpose or this. So this is centralized dependency management. So we can manage the project dependency in this form. Maven dependency. We write group ID, artifact ID, and the version that we are using. Now the benefit of these packages and libraries. So it code organization and modularity we have seen, and code reuse and efficiency. We don't have to overwrite the code again and again. They are organized and modular properly, and we can access the methods and classes that are already defined. Access to a vast ecosystems of functionalities. So these are all the benefits of using this that is libraries and packages. So I think up to this it's clear what is library, what are packages, how to define them, what are their role in programming. So in this Wellman tool, we have covered packages, standard libraries, external libraries, best practices that we have to follow. So you are now equipped to the structure of your code effectively and leveragely powerful libraries in your Java projects. If this journey through packages and library was insightful, hit the like button, share it with your coding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more Java wisdoms. Thanks for joining me today. Happy coding. I will catch you in next video.